And then mama na makwa about the Magana and same TV so. But more this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel. Now watch out your comment section because you money anymore. Now this is a strong warning. From a taxi rank to the hierarchies of the New Patriotic Party. Mambo FM, Mr. President. If by chance Nasa person will contribute to your studio work, Mike will be a data BBNia, reach out to your number and that's on any budget, and they are all highly accepted. Here are just a few Pokodia. Ghanafuor NPP for the Ghanafuor ND so mobile boo and this memo no can show say. Momo money call NPP registration exercise now. The New Patriotic Party registration exercise no publicity too low. Era motivation you for whatever reasons. Munjai and ye high adwuma na mo ye no na mo money call publicity so na mo po ye here Ghana for some people supporting New Patriotic Party. The idea behind the registration exercise is one, to get members for the party. Two, to raise money for the party since you are in opposition. The young professor will trade use. Now they be a mechanism say anytime I go say bibini na ho de e shebi bu na se obenya sika bi na afrim. You see, esa say your opposition ti no Ghana for say esa say your opposition ti no mpanyifo ni bebre nim say sabi sika bi anim e de omo baye ti no omo be so no be publicity nim na we are panyin na wasane flyer am say and 20 flyer mo ye 20 who take. The New Patriotic Party, the elephant is the winning symbol and the elephant is bigger than each and every individual and every personality in the party. It's just your interest. Now say for whatever interest you have, you think you are too big to go in and support the mobilization and the publicity of this work, we will vote and rally against you. Meme so manfo. Iti bebe manfo na kuma ho na me makoma ho. Yera Afenpon Justin Kodua. Yera Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Taxi rank any omo drivers any omo other works in say nkan say publicity into the work of the New Patriotic Party registration membership card no e wo form. Ebio, you say we want organic members. For whatever reasons, and nothing the adman ako polling station say be start registration from polling station. Yura. Almost for whatever reasons, and Kofubu was so much interest. It is yameni anko publicity no one, yameni anko registration exercise no one. If you matam album that so momo tum so mo be 10 or mo be delegate, and no mo be registration man New Patriotic Party. A party near to whatever reasons who interest we have found interest in the turn they contribute to the work of the New Patriotic Party. So person oh yeah aswarding for our party registration more, you also come out against you. You see the Americans and members of man for you won't perform so disappointed in the New Patriotic Party. You won't perform no so disappointed in the New Patriotic Party and omu ye Rajon Dramani Mahama Mamu no say there be sa NPP na yenti omu say me yere dada sambe wa me. It's time for now wesen sem bi aguma so me me wesen sem agu ase e dey Ghana nsem TV hwefo. Here are just a Frimpong Kodua NPP leaders in Namini so had your pa. Yes, I can very simple. BBS be a munja man can move from who are the any munyan and munim the animal any resource be a mobile for investing into the publicity of the registration and voters exercise. The war form. You see, NPP is one of the most biggest political party Africa has ever had since whatever years that has come to pass. And say publicity near voters registration. Sabi, we can't go into elections with this publicity. It shows that we are not ready for power. And then see, my phone or more drum no more tone, you man. My phone, I said, or more tone a drum no man. Sabi, my phone, my stores will come and cry any who, any voter region. Or more we said, when you can't just say publicity no from it's more fun who didn't shame Nagana, ye, percentage in Ghana, percent, NPP, or the only party, or met Mama Ghana coming. Mummy for be Anton Chen. Nasira Nanabi. You are Justin Frimpong Kodua. You are Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, next president of the Republic of Ghana, inshallah. Some for money and co-base, one co head my air course or grassroots. Some members of parliament, some people who have political interest, they will ruin affairs and the whole agenda for the registration. Mon sorry. Mon kanya mo homaye.
Kaya kani adeno. American Susudia said NPP for a year more registration or Masha Siena Moyeno. Man, we are MPs be tie de make yi man hwe ya MPs bi di omo parochial interest NPP General Secretary Justin Kodua Frimpong, NPP Nanabi National Organizer, National Chairman Acting Ayi Chairman Bute, Director of Elections already Evans Nimako. Adianu a mopesa mo ye Dr. Mamadou Bawumia, adianu a mopesa mo ye na NPP base ne ye akono. Na NPP base ne say gina ne na so. Etimusi amfa registration ni nko polling centers na polling centers no. Make sure so betimi register nipa na enkrofo ko adoso mo beba party ni no man we ya MPs bi di mo parochial interest be say sa agenda no ekwan ya mo fa so a mo se mo pese enkrofo bebre ba na wo mo ba betua ye frade ne say dues ema party ni nya more membership dues no man we ya MPs bi di mo parochial interest e be say sa adwuma no wate wo mo be se be registration ni wo grounds ho omunim si ebiem ye kwa registration wo grounds ho a anwe ya no omo executives no omo wo ho no ye makwan si ento police station ba yakotu omo etu omo atam books no ahye omo tuom omo atam books no ahye omo tuom ana omo ye do omo pe
yes
eno mate akoye bi
onye ba ye no kre
ne say party mpemforo munyanse hu no mute suru odi no muntumi multimedia de beye but other stations they should go and pay.
No credit. Asem there no.
Omun go treska, omunya jengo, ye mama omu. Ye run throughout to the 21st of March. Na man for nte wasem.
Asem na no aka no.
Anyama, wo mu de fa hu nya sika go mbotom. We nka hu ntino, asem fa obi aho. Why are they doing this?
Nanka ohin ba ifo kra.
Party for mo hwe sa ne ma we nya na mo fa nto ba ntia binum. Because they say party ni ba opposition no. Even when we were in power, I did be able to be doing some didn't no benya bibia di wom. The party a Juma pass a party a Juma Sikabia for so be no Obia person the move say. No the pictures do you want to tell me say Angel FM, Fox FM, Casben, when the ever sorry say or spend the time I'm out times of a case who trading to be trading.
The penisika. Enti won heba ye de
what is all this?
Won heba me say me constituency dey aye ni say ye ni coordinator say me ya catch me say sika ni ho
NPP registration exercise na ekoso no nyame anim no kura publicity na wofam crowd after say the general secretary of the party ebe press conference be chire mu ka say ye be start 1st January ye be wie 31st ni aye say na no ano no communication directorate na e wo party nim no me hu say from the communication director basic from ye ka ho asem e dey be na ekoso ote wa be we say panyimu bia mo omode ne flyer send wa ya design ne flyer say na we are doing registration this go to your polling station to me yes men share why should I share panyimu kro no on any picture we design wa bra panyimu kro no ombo aye emma publicity ne nkoye ana say yes picture sharing na ye fe say traditional media for no and NDC aban this ka to omo and omo nka ya asem a ye make sure say NPP party communicators ye be resource omo kasa o social media ne ade ye be bo omo bundle sem kakra na omatimi akasa ama nkofo apia bonte akoye registration no na me medican aka say abato a ye ba abatu imekire from national edibesi constituency o ye party panyimu na wo hold position ana say wo pese o be pre-position ene ehwe hu yie especially one man na bi omukuta position dadan so why adwene say opese o retain no position ana say opese o ko wanima na watena say assess hu hu say position na medi no me boy adwuma ana say ma mo adwuma so utimi assess hu na hu say o boy adwuma dia o de bra na utimi assess hu na wa mo adwuma na de katashe bi ba say me say be come anima na say me pese e retain me then you need to be careful because party no baby a party na duru no samre ne nyina ne hia obi ahoden but ye registration unhu se obi boa unhu se obi akwatena TV so na radio so boa aka ho asem from communication director di besi from ye nka ho asem edebe na ekoso se party so be ye ya eye communication ne ma party ye and NPP communication na breaky na NPP as a political party ye registration but yen ka ho asem unhu so bi ka ho asem edebe na ekoso Elebe na ekoso ye be sre party mpanyimfo se bia party na duru no mommoa na nkofo nkasa na nkofo mpia bonten ko register nkofo da so do party no nkofo da so pe party no wotu abozo obi afro na registration e kura mente se ekoso me koduru polling station wo mi hu hwe madaroma party mpanyimfo a mudi party nanim samre yesre mo mommoa na nkura no ntimi nkasa wo social media omuntimi mpia bonten ko radio ni TV stations nko kasa na afa nkofo mpia bonten ko registration because omo fresh on person omo registration e doso and party na eye party Ghanafuor epe NPP mpanyimfo mesremo asemwe complaints na eba ne doso registration na ye no omanfo ni complaining na complaining na omo freyen na omo tete omo se omo ko polling station honom na baby amosi yen omonko twiro mudi no omonko ho no bi ante ho baby nso abekwa obehu polling station executive bi no yes book no de akwa kwhye ne dem na so de akwhye ne fie obi nso kra say book no de betwe din ne mai e de be na ekoso the good people of Ghana a omo pe NPP they are complaining bitterly and ya card ye we hu asem advert bi nso nkoso mankofo ohunu de eko yesrem mpanyifo am wosoro yesrem say registration no enkofo ani abro mo pese ye registration no fra no mo frefre ye complaining omo bekwa kodu polling station honom no na obi ani honom ebi mu timi jai o madwuma to ho ebi mu ya aban adwuma ebi mu etonton mo nyoma wodwom but because of the party ni aya akono no pese mo ko register no omo beko ba bia ma kire mo se omo nko no na obi ani ho enti constituency fo a mo the various constituencies e wo Ghana mo na mo hwe sa anyoma no so no yesra mo de na ekoso region for de na ekoso national yesra mo de na ekoso because nkofo complaining enna me no ka say na ye fifth enche na time na so ne ya wie en ye wia ye ntimi nya nipa dodo na mo register because of nyoma ekoso me no ka say about 20 course and aba me so and ama me the pressure yes video we madaroma nkofo complaining bitterly madaroma say registration na mo say yenkoye registration no ebi maji book natena so apart from say ebi maji book natena so no baby amosi omonko no omonko ye registration me various polling station and as a polling centers no ombekwa akoduru ho no mo no obi anu a wote ho ente say omunyina ho omo ho eyira omo yesre mo ade we advert bia anhye dan koso ya anhye dan communicate ho nsem bia but enkofo na ba ku mienu ate afrefre omunuamo ama omunuamo omunyina agaptum se party na yakono mo kwa register ombeduru ho no no obi eni ho enti mesrem mo amobehu video we mon share video we ma video we no enkoduru baby e beduru say the people are complaining o ye MP na wada roma constituency ye hu de ekwa yesrem mo nkasa na ade na mo ya
your contesting message you still win the elections edikan yase polling station ho they say we share constitution amendment here you know you increase you from 5 to 7 polling station executives yeah the two abeka communication officer and a polling station electoral affairs officer party ne say san kofo a in sono sabi obi anu a position e dia che no
yeah
general secretary me to tanko so at say kofo contest me et me make elections et to the polling station na ye wadwen so obekọ elections ni bi the sa polling station at 2 say we na end dia obesim na me polling station chairman from 92 ebe pesa amre no ene eni obi ene okọ elections na amanfo no tomawa no ato adwuma so if say bi obi nya NPP ni nsi NPP obi ye nya ye bekọ contest the party ni say answer class obetima agina say obekọ pre-polling station elections ni bi no eso wa polling station meetings ya twa odin wo NPP register.
Okay.
Now what you would do at least 24 cities for 1 year no. Answer na what imagine and answer what ma to abani bi. Ye wie so a the party ne can say 2 positions out of 7 there. Sabi a secretary any electoral affairs there. Minimum qualification as we call senior high. If the said Jumano, secretary in electoral affairs there, and Kata Juma and Abeya. The said also was a minimum qualification here. Over to my tro, over to my sending messages, with my kaya, with my TRT, information be a with him their mayo. There be a quiet elections, I say, if a pulling agent. I didn't say a coffee pulling agent, a bread 1 call for omunima trotro what you say enti sadia no yetimi ya puni agent ho asem kra no issue ya fama ye o ye ni fru a party ne say youth organizer polling station youth organizer say we bedu baby 60 years was one youth organizer e polling station bi 65 on a youth organizer 70 years
but there be problem back up
now enti positions 5 away or even 7 and what the 50 years cry what they could do but for you to organize an idea I feel will be very